Let's jump into our next tool. This is Zipchat. You can use this AI agent to handle pre and post sales conversations across chat, email, and social 24/7. So you can automate your chat support with this tool. I've already taken a look at it, so I'm going to really be able to go through this review pretty quick. It has a lot of other features in it that is beyond what you would just typically think of as a chatbot on your website. So we're going to jump into that in just a minute. Let's scroll through here. We've got license tier 1 at $89, license tier 2 at $149, license tier 3 at $269, and license tier 4 at $399. Starting at license tier 2, you get unlimited team members. You can add as many team members as needed. You do need to be on license tier 2 in order to do that. It's going to be based on how many replies your chatbot's going to be able to cover. You need to estimate how much traffic you have or plan on having to make the right decision over here. Looks like you do get everything unlocked. Now we'll come down here, remove powered by Zipchat branding. You can select that. It's $99 on all plans. So essentially what this means is that the powered by Zipchat is going to be a part of the tool. It's just something that you can't get rid of unless you add that on. I think that's a little bit lame. I don't know what you guys think. Leave a comment below, but this is an offer, a tool, and this is what they're going with in order to not have more. They're almost forcing you to select that, because if you're getting 100,000 visitors to your site, 300,000 visitors to your site, you're probably not going to want to promote this. We'll go over here and look at the chatbot itself. It's just going to say powered by Zipchat. Almost every single one of the chatbots that I've seen on sites always tell you where it came from, but that is going to potentially, if people like your chatbot, they're going to click on it. For me, it's not really a big deal, but if you have a big site getting a lot of traffic, you might want to spend the extra $100 to get that removed. You have these other add-ons over here as well. But for the most part, what I'm seeing, the credits and the replies per month and so forth are like, it's a monthly usage that you get renewed. And so that's really good. So it's a monthly renewed type of deal. Zipchat's been going since January 1st, 2023, 24, 25, 26. So over 3 years they've been going, based out of Europe, over 10 employees, growth and seed phase right there, Zipchat right there. Come over here and you can see that they have 60,000 visitors going to their site per month, looking good. We're going to jump right into the app. This is what it looks like right here. So the dashboard, I've had 2 chats right over here. It's going to give you some tips, customize the chat to fit your brand. You just push done. So you might want to keep those up and running, maybe go through all of them, and if it applies to you, you can either snooze it for later or you can push done. So you're going to have some traffic analytics stats right here. How many replies, great replies, good replies, and bad replies right there. Customers mostly start chats from these pages right here. So that's your dashboard. So we have our conversations. You'll be able to come in here and see, like I had a conversation with myself. You can see right over here, you share the URL of the conversation. What does that look like? Come over here, look at the conversation. You can share that if you needed to. Come back over here and you can see the full chat right over here, and you can take over manually and continue chatting with them right here. If it gets escalated to a human, assigned to me, so you're going to have your users in here and they'd be able to be assigned to when a human is needed for customer support. So you can manage your entire support ticket system based out of the chat as well. So really great right there. You have this contacts. You'll see that I have my email right over here. You can actually go and do some integrations right here. They have Zapier to where you can automatically have someone that gives you their email. You can have them put on an email list based on Zapier, which is great. Your chat bubble right over here, your scripts, sales pixels, all that kind of good stuff. So right over here, you'd go over here, you have a configuration. You have some more configurations right there. That's scripts. The basic one that I'm going to be showing you that looks like this on your site. Right over here, you can see this AI. We'll come onto this page and you can see it's bright white right there. Now, I wasn't able to see how I could change the color of this, and I'll show you that in just a minute. But we can also move this over as well, and I'll show you how to do that real quick as well. We injected this code into our site on Ghost. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Once someone comes in to the chat, they have the option to give you their email. You can have this hooked up to Zapier, or it'll just continue to collect all these leads for you. Once a month, you can go in there and download the CSV. You'd have all these right here. And then you can do some really cool things with that. You can create a segment. Segments allow you to send campaigns to selected group contacts. Segments can be created by uploading a CSV. So you can upload that and you could create a segment right there. I believe that's like an email campaign that they have going right there. Then you come over here to campaigns. There was one other thing I wanted to share with that. Let's come back over here. Under chat settings, this first one, right, scripts, this bubble chat, that's the one that you're going to grab. You're going to grab this code and put it on your website. But you can also do some other stuff as well. Under channels, you can actually use this for WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, email. You can let Zipchat respond to your customer support emails as well. And then you can also go here, you can embed as an iframe on your website right here. You can have them scan a QR code and it will take them to the page I'll show you right now, or the link to the chat right here. So you can use these two methods right over here. And then this is what a full chat page would look like right here. So it's going to be a white page and you can see the conversation that we've had right here. And it's literally like a ChatGPT kind of chat bot right there. So it depends on how you want to do this. You could implement a page like this on your website and have support right here. Someone clicks on support and it takes them right to a chat page. It'd be very flexible and custom. You could do that and not have to have this on your site. Or you could leave that on your site as well. So a lot of ways to go about getting it on your website and what you want the chat experience to be like for your customers. Then you can go over here. You have campaigns right over here. You can set up a campaign, Insight Proactive Chat right over here. You can create a campaign and it can be all these different things. It stays on the page for a certain amount of time. It can be a very specific page. Your entire website scrolls to a certain point, visits a certain page. If the user starts leaving your site, and you can customize the message right over here. Hello, please let me know how I can help. You can ask me anything you want. So the one that we have right now is this one. So we can go and preview this, right? So I set this one up and this is what it looks like. So someone goes and tries to leave the page. Look at what pops up. Hello, please let me know how I can help you. You can ask me anything you want. What industry are you in? I may have the perfect tool recommendation for you. Let me know. And then that might spark someone. I'd like to be able to change the background color to like yellow or something like that to make it really stand out. And I don't see options for that. I would like to see that, but nonetheless, it still is pretty impressive. You can go into the AI training right here, and on the onboarding, it's just you're gonna give it your website, and then it's gonna scan your website and start training itself. All the pages have been brought in. It's fully trained on my website. We have web pages over here. We have feed items. We have PDFs we can upload, texts, sitemaps, feed. We can add a new source based on single page, all this custom text right over here. There's a lot that you can do. List of links via CSVs. I would just do that. Create a CSV with all of your recommended products with an affiliate link. This could help you with making money on your website. A lot of things you can do. You can do corrections. You can prompt, and there's a bunch of different prompts over here. Knowledge search, escalate conversation, if certain things happen, order lookup. So there's an API. Let's say you have a Shopify store, you can connect your API so it knows your orders, and you could use this as a chatbot agent for support where people ordered something from your Shopify store, e-commerce store, and they're looking for their order. They don't know where it is. With the API, they'd be able to look at your order number, your customer, they'd be able to ask for that, and then it would be able to find the information because you have API directly with it. So cool stuff. And then we have our chat settings right over here. So that's pretty much it. They have documentation. Now let's go take a look at what this actually looks like on your website and how you can actually go and change this if you want to. So if we're in here, you're just going to click on here and you can see, welcome to LearnWire AI. How may I help you? What are your YouTube tools that you recommend? vidIQ, Google Trends, 1 of 10, view stats, and then it will take them to the page. They can click on it. It's going to take them right to the page that I'm getting this information from. So it's all knowing based on your website. Say right here, do you have a recommended tools list on your website? Yep, software I love. They click on that and then they click on this and buy something, then I make money. And you can see over here, recommended YouTube tool stack right there. Want to learn how to use Claude AI better? Can you help with this? And maybe I should recommend my course if it's smart. Let's see right here, 3 prompt upgrades that work, give a role, provide, ask for passes, helpful. So we need to prompt that right there because it doesn't really know, I guess, it doesn't really know about my course that it's about Claude, I believe. Let's go over to courses real quick. And we have this one right over here. So boom, yeah, right there. So right over here, we could say, do you have a course teaching Claude AI? And we would want to go back and probably you'd be able to see conversations like this that it's not doing a good job answering, and you'd be able to go and train it a little bit better. Right here, very specific question. Do you have a course teaching Claude? Yes, we have Claude focused course, the AI Alchemist. It's a hands-on course. They can click on it and go to it as well. So you'd want to train the AI to give a really helpful answer, but also recommend one of your products or an affiliate tool or service, product or service, right? So you could use this for local sites. If you're a service-based business like a plumber, you could use this as well. There you go. That's what that looks like. And then it's so easy to just come over here and we can change this by going over to the chat settings. We can go to the configuration. Was it under channels? You can go with edit right here. And this is where you can upload your logo right here as well. And you can go and change the colors. And I'm not really seeing where this is the one that's on our site. And you can't really impact the change of color on that one, but you can go with this. Just look over here. This is what the chat will look like on the right. And then there's that one. And then there's the standard right there. So let's just say we want this different looking one right there. You can also come over here and you could change the move right or left. So maybe we want to move up. We want to go with 30 and I'm just going to change this so it's different right there. We're going to go and push save and it has the codes. Hopefully this will actually change on our website. We come over here and then there it is right there. But I want it to be on the right hand side so you can see that there is what that looks like. I do think that looks better on the site overall because it's in black. So you click on that and it will take you to the chat right there as well. And this is where it says bottom center and a bubble size medium. So maybe you want to go over here and make it large and you want to go with the bottom right, which is pretty expected. We'll go save right there and then we'll go and take a look at where it now is on our site. And now you can see it's nice over there on the site and that just looks really nice and clean right there. And now it's living on our website. So overall, this was Zipchat. This is a very fast, intuitive, very easy, pretty complex things that you can do with it. It almost does everything that you would need in a chatbot. It also was very easy to learn, and I took investigate how easy it was to use the software. Super easy, efficient, and intuitive to use the software. Great user interface and everything. I was able to figure everything out without watching even one tutorial video on it. That definitely give them hats off on that as far as how well they made the product, and nothing broke, nothing didn't work. You could see they make a change, push save, go look at our website. We even put this on Ghost, so it's going to work with WordPress, Ghost, anywhere we can inject code, you're going to be able to do that. Overall, very impressed with this one. I'm going to give this a 4.9 out of 5 stars. What do you guys think below? This was Zipchat. Very impressed with this tool. The link will be below. Go pick it up, and I'll see you in the next video.